Hello guys, Mike here. Now, I've seen plenty of wild pursuits, but this one had me on the edge of my seat. High speeds, evasive moves, and a final moment that could have gone horribly wrong. Dayton, Ohio. Officers spot a reckless driver near Steve Whalen Boulevard. The car matches the description of a stolen vehicle flagged earlier that day.
(149) dispatch, we've got a wrong way driver, 35 eastbound. I'm behind it in pursuit.
What's your code 35 or mile numbers?
(149), we're still going to be 35 eastbound, wrong way. Speed's 90.
Central 1, what's our just take over? Speed about 90, traffic light. We're going to take an on-ramp of Main Street, Jefferson Street.
The suspect jumps the grassy bank, then dives back onto US 35, going the wrong way into oncoming traffic. Lights and sirens blare, but he refuses to stop. With drivers in danger and options running out, an officer rams the vehicle to end the threat. The 25-year-old driver is taken to a hospital, then booked on felony failure to comply. His passenger, a 26-year-old with outstanding warrants, joins him in jail. Livingston County, Michigan, Fenton City Police spot a stolen car on southbound US 23 and move in. Deputies join the chase as the suspect speeds toward Highland Road.
Right City, do you have 6?
12,
12, go ahead.
Central 55,
Central 55, we're ramping off southbound 59.
Clear, ramping off the 59, 4772, are you clear direct?
I'm 59 at the exit ramp.
Central 55, looks like we're going to be going westbound 59 from 23.
Clear westbound on 59 from 23.
Alright, Central, we're going to be right lane.
You think he's stopping on the shoulder on the left side? Clear one around the 6.
One around the sticks. We're going to be...
44 and 71, they passed 686, they'll be approaching you.
Hughes.
Alright, we're southbound Hughes. Speeds look like... Well, see if I can try to shoot a pit.
They're approaching Golf Club, initiating a pit, 1645.
Alright, PI, we got to roll over.
The driver dodges spike strips near Argentine Road, barely missing the trap. Still refusing to quit, he races onto Hughes Road. At Golf Club Road, the chase reaches its breaking point. The suspect slams into a 2020 Chevy Silverado, flipping the pickup against the guardrail.
You alright? You're alright? Just you in the car? Just you? Alright. He's good.
Still
He's
in the driver's
good.
seat?
Yep, still driver's seat. Alright.
The suspect, 42-year-old Jeremy Nelson from Ypsilanti, is now behind bars on charges of fleeing and eluding, plus receiving and concealing a stolen vehicle. Thurston County, Washington. Olympia police flag a stolen vehicle using an automated plate reader. When officers try to stop the driver, he floors it, and a high-speed pursuit launches down the highway.
88, classified times 2. Uptown 95. .48, 100. Were you able to stay behind it?
I'm not behind him this time.
It's on the southbound ramp to I-5, touching the right shoulder. I've got eyes about a quarter mile from you. We're passing 193rd Avenue right now.
80, I'm gonna go for a grapple.
Fully PD, go for a grapple.
Speeds hit 130 miles an hour as the suspect weaves across lanes, shoulders, and anything that looks like pavement. Deputies roll out spike strips, but that's only the first move. A grappler device locks onto the rear tire, sending the car fishtailing before spinning to a stop.
Yeah. Do you guys want to go up on this side or that side? Yeah, let's go. If they got long cover, I'm ready to move whenever you guys are. That's it. I like it.
I'll cover while you hop, and then you can cover you.
Okay, sounds good.
You want to hold that side while we move up? Gotcha. Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna move.
Go ahead.
All right.
Covering, you guys move.
Sorry, dude. We have another. All right, moving up. I'm fanning out. Visually clear.
The driver, already wanted on multiple felony warrants in King County, is booked for possession of a stolen vehicle and attempting to elude. Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. New Year's Eve doesn't always mean fireworks. More police spot 35-year-old Kayla Cervantes wanted on felony warrants. When they try a traffic stop, she refuses, and the night shifts from routine patrol to full pursuit.
Exit on Walker, westbound, it's a white Dodge Ram pickup.
Tag 15, Zebra Tom, 811.
Southbound on Walker. Southbound on Walker.
Clear southbound Walker.
He's gonna come back northbound on Walker. Northbound.
Clear northbound Walker.
Through the Casey's gas station parking lot. Now Johnny's still in the parking lot. Out to the service road.
Clear eastbound.
Off the curb going back. West on 240. West on 240.
Get her now, Darwin. TBI now.
TBI crash, start medical. 240 in May, start medical.
Clear TBI.
Cervantes blasts through red lights, cuts into oncoming traffic, and even darts across parking lots. Officers close in near I-240 and May. A precision TVI sends her car rolling onto its side before skidding to a stop.
240 in May, starting into.
Headquarters, she's out, she's 10-4.
I'm clear.
Medically cleared and booked into the Cleveland County Detention Center, Cervantes now faces charges tied to multiple warrants and a stash of fentanyl, meth, heroin, and paraphernalia. Sandy Springs, Georgia, April 28, 2025. A traffic officer spots a Jeep Wagoneer flying down State Route 400 at 99 miles per hour in a 65. What should have been a simple stop turns into a full-on chase.
Tango 76, I'm clear. It's displayed on a black Wagoneer. My charges are reckless driving. He's getting on the right shoulder right now. Speed's 83. Tango 76, 5 Roswell, reports in there. Heart still eastbound. Speed 60, we're going east of Old Alabama, continuing through Old Alabama. Traffic is medium, going to lights. Continuing. Alright, passing Holcomb Woods Parkway, still eastbound. We're north on Evans, that's left north on Evans. No traffic, setting up for another pit. We're gonna turn right on Scott. Correction, left on Scott. Has contact, left on Scott. That is left on Scott, back west.
Grooms weaves recklessly through traffic, cutting into the emergency lane and blowing past red lights. The pursuit pushes on until he finally runs out of options.
Pit. Hey, let me see your hands! Hands! Get out of the car! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! I see one occupant. Get out of the car! Show me your hands!
Taken into custody without further incident, Grooms now faces charges for fleeing, reckless driving, and speeding nearly 40 over the limit. Florence County, South Carolina, July 12th. Deputies attempt a simple traffic stop on North Cashua Street, but 22-year-old Brittany Nicole Jeffords has other plans. Jeffords rams her SUV into several cruisers before ducking into a parking lot. Jeffords floors it again, racing onto Black Creek Road. Moments later, the chase ends violently. The SUV flips multiple times, throwing her from the wreck. Jeffords now faces multiple charges, including failure to stop, driving under suspension, and 2 counts of failure to appear. Arkansas, August 8th, 2025. A green Honda Accord passes a trooper with no seatbelt, expired tags, and swerving over the fog line.
1024.
827.
It's a green Honda Accord. Tennessee, Boy Robert Williams, 7933. Boy Robert Williams, 7933. Trying to get him to stop at the 2 mile mark.
Southbound.
10-4. 1037.
1023 in that direction.
Each time the officer lines up for a TVI, Ware drifts to the middle to shut him down, but persistence pays off. A hard passenger side TVI slams the Accord into a concrete barrier. Even then, Ware tries crawling down the shoulder until the trooper puts an end to the ride with one final hit.
Let me see the hands! Let me see the hands! Get out of the car now! Get out of the car now! Turn around! Stand up!
Ware refused sobriety tests, refused a chemical test, and ended the day with a list of charges longer than the highway itself.